Are you dealing with bruxism? Grinding your teeth, you have to wear a dental guard, your jaw is all tense. I'm going to show you how to get rid of the problem quickly. Teeth grinding has multiple causes, but they all come down to muscles and fascia pulling too hard here. And when this powerful muscle, the chewing muscle is the most powerful muscle in the body, pulls your teeth together too much, you'll damage and break them. And that's why you slide a night guard in between them. That, of course, protects your teeth, but does not remove the main problem. The major cause still exists. It's not opening your mouth wide enough, clenching your jaw to cope with unpleasant situations. Your psyche plays a big role in this, and it's working overnight. All that tension that can't be released during the day through opening your mouth wide and chewing strongly. All that tension adds up, and your body wants to somehow release it. And it does that by having your teeth do all the work during the night so that the muscles there can go back to normal again, the best it can. But when you start with the appropriate countermeasures, the problem is rather quickly dealt with and mitigated or even removed. I'm going to show you 2 exercises with Ina's help here. A foam rolling massage, and then an exercise that's going to knock your socks off in a positive way. Best would be if you took one of our mini massage balls from our set, or if you haven't got one yet, take a ball similar to this in size. It should be a bit soft on the surface, but rather hard underneath. Maybe a child's toy. Just look around for one. A tennis ball is too big and soft. It should be a bit smaller and harder. And then let me demonstrate this on Ina. Take your glasses off, please. And here we have the lower ridge of your lower jaw. Go and feel it, you at home, and you too, Ina. And then run your fingers towards your ear until you hit upon the corner. It's like going around a bend. From the lower ridge to the back ridge, and here you move diagonally upwards. And that's where you place the ball. And you'll notice it. Place it here above the ridge. Hold it with both hands and try and find the point that hurts the most. Use both hands. Find the point that hurts the most. You at home, you can probably feel it already. And now your job is to use pressure, but stay under 10 on your personal pain scale to roll over that spot in small, spiraling motions. I'll show you the right speed. Just like this. Ina, please let me know if the pressure's too much. Take over again, Ina. And you do that for 2 minutes until you can feel that it's becoming less sensitive. What's happening is the following. The rolling affects receptors that dial down the tension. So everything here is less tense. And the more relaxed everything is, the less sensitive it is. You get a positive feedback loop going. And then you do the same on the other side. Because your jaw doesn't work only on one side, but on both sides simultaneously, more or less. Here too, locate the spot of highest sensitivity, and with small spirals, slowly and with a lot of pressure, a little more slowly maybe, go forcefully in there. You're also doing something for your metabolism. You should know that high tensions compromise your metabolism. The cells are a bit undernourished, and over time, a negative feedback loop starts in these pain areas. And the rolling, apart from dialing down the tension, also gets your metabolism going. And that helps the overall situation and prepares you well for our next exercise, which is coming shortly. Very slowly, very intensely. Just imagine you just took some dough out of the fridge and it's pretty gooey and tough, and you have to apply a lot of pressure to roll it out, even a little bit. You have to do it slowly, otherwise you just roll over it with no effect at all. Now Ina's going to show you the second exercise. We're going to use our jaw hero for that. In case you haven't gotten one of those yet, take a cork from a wine bottle, cut it to length so that it just fits in your mouth. And with the jaw hero, you just set it to the right size, so that when you put it in your mouth, you'll be at a 9 or a 9.5 on your personal pain scale. Let's create some distance first. Beauty of it is that you can do it when you're driving or reading. But first, let me demonstrate the how, and then you can think about the when. So you have it between your teeth, and of course, it strains. And in case the size is not right, or you left the cork too long, you have to adjust it. Yeah, simply go back a size. And when you feel, oh, this is a 9.5, and then you realize, oh no, it's too much, it's a 10 or 10.5, then go down a size. Or if it's too loose, no stretch at all, it's at a 6 or a 7, then you go up a size so you get the feeling of a good stretch. And you do that for 2 to 3 minutes, several times spread out over your day. That's the wonderful thing about these exercise aids. You can do the exercise, of course, but it takes some effort to get started. This here, you can do quickly on the side with our jaw hero. And if you do that now and again, you'll realize how the tension goes down over the course of a day. And now, we're going to do something to stop your muscles from releasing their energy during the night. We're releasing their energy right now. And how do we do that? Hold the jaw hero, please. And now apply some force. Bite on it a bit. And then open your mouth slightly so you have a little gap at the top, right? And then bite on it again. And then open up a bit. And you keep doing that. You at home too? This working your muscles, biting down at that angle, then opening up more, creating a gap. Make sure that all that tension, all the energy that has accumulated due to the shortened muscles, that this energy is released. And the more you do that during the day, the less work your jaw has to do during the night. I wouldn't get rid of your night dental guard right away, but observe the situation because you could feel the tension. And when you feel it's going down dramatically, then you could think about taking the guard out. You normally know when you start grinding your teeth. Or ask your partner if he or she can hear you grinding your teeth and let them tell you. So it takes some observation, and then not too far in the future you can train yourself to sleep without a dental guard. And everything is going to feel a lot more relaxed anyway. And now you'll be able to open your mouth wide again. You could bite into a big apple. No problem in a dentist chair to sit there for 2 hours with your mouth open. I had this experience. The dentist was a bit puzzled. He said, "Don't you need a break?" I said, "No, keep going." Because I trained myself to be that relaxed there. And you could do the same. If you'd like some more information on our jaw hero, then click up here. And for more videos on how to relax your jaw, click here. Other than that, we say, with the jaw hero in, goodbye.